Stuffed chayotes. A main dish from Costa Rica. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Parboil the chayotes in salted water for 10 minutes. Step 2. Drain and carefully scoop out the pulp, leaving at least at 1/4 inch shell. Step 3. Chop pulp and add 3 cups of breadcrumbs, cheese, salt, pepper, and eggs. Step 4. Fill chayote shell with this mixture. Step 5. Mix the rest of breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese and sprinkle over the stuffed coyotes. Step 6. That with butter. Bake in a 450° Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until browned. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.